Hi everyone, my name is Rima and I'm a former soft skills trainer. Today I have a question for you. Does this happen with you that you have so much to speak and you're also able to speak with your friends? But as soon as you're being asked to step on a stage, you run out of words and you get blank. You stand there quiet. If this is your case, then today's video is for you. But before proceeding, I want to share my own personal experience so that you can relate with me. I belong to a place where everyone around me can speak Punjabi fluently, but I cannot. This has been the case ever since. One fine day, a colleague of mine, he is from South India, he approaches me and says, "Ma'am, can you please speak 2 lines in Punjabi? I really want to hear how that language sounds like." I said, "Okay, I can try." That day, I was able to speak fluently. Do you know why? Because I didn't have this in my head that someone is judging me or someone is trying to find mistakes in what I speak. Similarly, when we are standing on the stage, when we have no words to speak, but we have so much here. Now you see, we have so much here, but words don't come out of our mouth. Apparently, the distance between our brain and our mouth is this much only. इतना छोटा distance हमारे words क्यों नहीं cover कर सकते? What comes in between our brain and mouth? Our eyes? What if I say yes? We see that someone better is constantly looking at us. और ये हम खुद को समझा देते हैं subconsciously कि वो हमारी गलती निकालने के लिए बैठा है. Oh my God, what if I say something wrong? हम blank हो जाएंगे. हमारे पास कोई words रहेंगे नहीं बोलने के लिए. ठीक है? और we'll start turning red. Some of us might even faint and some of us might even shake at that point. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. देखिए, कोई आपके बारे में क्या सोचेगा, क्या नहीं सोचेगा, that really depends upon his mindset, his level of thinking. तो उनकी सोच ये ना डिटरमिन करे कि आपको बोलना चाहिए कि नहीं बोलना चाहिए. और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वो आपका मजाक उड़ा देंगे, है ना, हंस देंगे, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बेइज्जती ही तो हो जाएगी. लेकिन जब आप अगली बार स्टेज पे बोलने के लिए जाएंगे तो आपको ये चीज़ ज़रूर याद आएगी कि हाँ, मैंने यहाँ मिस्टेक करी थी. अब मैं उस मिस्टेक को अवॉइड करूँगा. सी, यू आर ऑलरेडी वन स्टेप अहेड. यू हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न समथिंग. ऐसे यू विल इम्प्रूव. So this is a very simple thing. I think we all must normalize in accepting that making mistakes is completely fine. I make so many mistakes. You make so many mistakes. It is completely fine. Alright? So next time when you go on the stage, just don't stop trying and say one thing to yourself. The day I will start trying, my half journey is complete. ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਗੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿਣੀ ਸੀ. In case ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਪਸੰਦ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਲਾਈਕ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰਿਓ. ਤੇ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਹੈ that you want to share with us, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਮੈਂਟਸ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਲਿਖਿਓ, because we are here to read it. and ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੀ YouTube family ਦਾ part ਬਣਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ, then subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.